You know that moment when a team meeting is in 2 hours and you're supposed to have a full-blown presentation ready? Yeah, that was me last week, but instead of panicking, I opened up Canva and what happened next saved me hours. This is AppSolute, where we bring you everything app solutions. Today, I'm sharing how a free Canva tool came through in the clutch and helped me create a stunning team presentation without touching PowerPoint. If this sounds like the kind of help you need in your life, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's dive in. So here's what happened. We had a last-minute team sync, and I was in charge of walking everyone through our Q1 progress and upcoming goals. I had the data, I had the points, but what I didn't have was time to design a presentable, engaging slide deck from scratch. Usually, this is the point where I'd open up PowerPoint and start stressing, but this time I did something smarter. For privacy concerns, I'll use a dummy version of the Q1 team presentation, with placeholder data and fictional highlights to demo how Canva's free AI tool helped me quickly and efficiently design the slides. I popped open Canva, typed business presentation into the search bar, and boom! Free templates, clean, modern, fully customizable ones. All I had to do was pick a template that matched our brand vibe and presentation type. I then swapped in my content and changed a few colors. In less than 30 minutes, I had a professional-looking slide deck done, and the good thing is that it's well adapted to my brand colors and style. Take a look. I threw in a few graphics and images, aligned everything nicely with the drag-and-drop editor. And that was it. When I presented, the team was engaged. The best part? I didn't spend hours fiddling with layouts, font sizes, or trying to make my slides look right. Canva's templates took care of that. I just had to focus on delivering the content. Why this matters? A lot of people sleep on Canva's free templates, thinking they're too basic or cookie cutter. But if you know how to work smart, they're gold. Presentations, reports, pitch decks, Canva's got them all. So if you're ever in a pinch like mine, don't panic. Just open Canva, use a free presentation template, and let the app do the heavy lifting. I've dropped the link to sign up for Canva in the description for those who are still new to this amazing tool. If this helped you, show some love. Hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell to turn on notifications for more time-saving digital tools from AppSolute. Let's work smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.